stretch, right? Stretch. So these are all the exercises that I do. So to regain flexibility.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's.
Guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to self-care, health and wellness. Welcome back to Jamaica. Yes, Jamaica it is. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. Well, this morning, guys, I'm going to do some exercise. As you can see me, I'm on the ground. Yeah, so I'm going to do some lovely workouts so to strengthen my back, to strengthen my legs, right, guys? So come along and take part as well. Yes, come and take part, right, guys? Let's go. Don't be afraid of exercise, right, guys? Let's go, let's go. Let's inspire each other. Let's motivate each other, right? So we're gonna start with some, elbow to knee, right? Let's go. Elbow to knee. We're gonna do like 40 of these, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 'So whatever I do over this leg, I have to do on the other leg. So here I do 20 here. So I'm going to do the next 20 here. And at the same time when I'm doing it, I'm, squeezing my tummy, taking in my stomach, right? Yes, so let's do the next 20 here, guys, right? 1, go on to it, me, guys. 2, 19, 20. Yes, guys, I'm feeling all the pressure right here, right inside of my stomach, right? Let's do another one, guys. Yes, let's turn around and do this one by straightening my legs, right? And then I'm going to take up my leg like this. And I'm going to do 10 on both, right? So 1, keep the leg straight, guys. 2, and then you keep the tummy, yeah? Squeeze in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change position, guys. Yes. So this exercise helps me, guys, with my sciatica nerve pain, as well as my surgery that I did on my coccyx around here, the compression of my nervous system where my discompress. So these are the exercises that I do, so to get my flexibility and so I can be, move about, right, instead of be paralyzed and in bed, right, guys? So come along, changing position. So we're gonna do the next 10 on this leg, right? Let's go. Straighten, keep it straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10. Yes. So whatever you do on one leg, you have to do it on the other, alright? Let's go. Right? Okay. We're gonna do this one now. Yes, I'm going from 1 to 5. 5 seconds, then I go down. 1, 2, 3. Wait for 5 seconds. 4, 5. And I carry it down. Right? At the same time, I am pulling my tummy. Right, guys? Yes. So we're working on the tummy as well, right? Let's go again. Hands up, straight. Angle, 90 degrees. Then we're gonna hold it 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release. Yes. And you can do 10, 20, 30, 40, depending on how you feel it with the amount, right? So we're gonna do 5 of this. I've done 2 already. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 3. So this helps to straighten my back, straighten my waist, right? Yes. So it's core exercise as well, right? Yes. Let's go again. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 4. All right. These. Ooh, right. So again, guys, 1 lead, right? Okay. Straighten the arms. Carry up the leg at 90 degrees. Count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release. Right? So let's stretch it out, guys, if you're tired. Stretch out the body. Stretch it out, guys. Stretch it out. Wonderful. Stretch it out. And we're going to do another one here. Right? So to straighten the hip and the waistline, right? Yes, so we're going to do like this. 1. That side. So we say that's 1, right? Come back to the center. This is 2. Come back to the center. 2. We're going to do 5. Come back to the center. Right? 3. Come back to the center. Go back. 3. Right? Come back to the center. 4. Yes, come back to the center. 4. Right, come back to the center. 5. Stretch it, guys. Come back to the center. 5. So that's 5, right? Ooh. Lovely, lovely. Yes. So we can stretch the legs all the way up, guys. All the way up. Take up the legs all the way up. Stretch it. You will hear some cracking sound. Will you stretch, guys? Stretch. Yes. Yes. Stretch. Right? Stretch. So these are all the exercises that I do. So to regain flexibility from my surgery. Yes. So if you watch my video, guys, you will see my hospital, videos. Yes. Go to my playlist, guys, where you'll see a lot of different videos so you can watch. Remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Right, guys? Don't forget to subscribe, and share. Right? Yes. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you.